The strength is so low today. Very less number of students have
Sir,
joined.
it is
Is
very
it
low.
because of the reason that two classes, these two, the fifth and sixth period, do not have a break in between them? Is it because of this?
Sir,
Sir,
I don't know.
Yes, sir. I
Because
think
of
that
this
is.
reason, the students have not joined till now. Okay, let's wait for the students for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes, and then we will start.
Sir, only 9 students have gone.
Yes.
Sir, what we are doing?
So please wait for 5 minutes.
Let us start. Sir, till that time I am putting the heading ranking.
So please start now.
Yes, better let everyone join.
Okay, sir.
Just wait for another minute. Okay. Okay, all of you. Now, yes, we are starting it.
Okay, sir.
Still not
Okay,
all
sir.
the students have joined. I'm going to explain the basic of this topic. If all the students are not going to join, they will not be able to understand what is the basic of this chapter. Unnati beta, how are you? Atik, कैसे हो अतीक?
Sir, I'm fine. How are
Fine.
you? Yes, sir.
Ready for the class. Nandini, how are you?
Sir, fine.
Okay.
Sir, I am searching the questions for ranking on the Google.
अच्छा, पहले से ही चालू हो गए क्या बेटा?
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Abharana present.
Good morning, Averana.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, Aver. Argun beta, how are you?
Morning, sir. I am fine.
You are very good. मम्मी पढ़ा रही हैं.
Yes, sir. Now her class is over.
Her class is over now. Okay. And how is your how is Krish? Is he there at home or he has gone to the school?
Ma'am, sir, he is there.
Is there?
He has
Is he
some
going to the
exam.
school regularly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today he went to the school?
Yes, sir. Because his exam was there.
Okay. Which exam was there today?
Social.
Social. Very good. What is the timing of the exam?
Sir, it is from I think 9 to 12.
Okay. Okay, all of you. So we are starting now. I think most of the students have joined now. Now there are 18 students in the class. Okay, so all of you, I would request you all to first of all, everyone listen to me carefully. In the last period, before the last period, you don't have a break. Now, earlier it was a break after the fifth period. Between the fifth and sixth period, there was a break earlier, but now that
Yes.
break is not there. So your class last period starts at 1 p.m. only. Most of you are still joining very late. So I hope from the next class you all will join at the right time. Join at 1 p.m. only. Now there are 19 students in the class. I've been waiting for you all since last 10 minutes, 10 or 12 minutes. And now the students have joined. Okay, from the next class, please join it at the right time, 1 p.m. only. Okay, so the topic that we are going to start is ranking. I will give you a very basic, with the help of a very basic question, I will try to introduce the topic. Okay, and then we will start with the questions. As we do the questions, you will understand the topic very easily. It is an easy topic, so no need to worry about it at all. Easy as well as interesting. So my question is, everyone, very general question. No need to write anything in your copies. ऐसे ही आप orally answer करेंगे. अभी कुछ note नहीं करना है copy में. Okay.
Sir, we have to tell the answer in our chat box.
नहीं
or
ऐसे बता दीजिए. We are just discussing. Okay. About something. So my question is, if suppose there are 10 students in a class, मान लीजिए 10 students हैं class में, and there is a boy whose name is A. उसका नाम है A. Okay. His rank from the top. 10 students in class. There are only 10 students in the class. His rank from the top is 6th. Starting से अगर top से उसकी rank देखेंगे, his rank is 6th. Can you tell me what is his rank from the bottom? What is his rank from the bottom?
Sir, sir, fourth.
Fourth.
Sir, fourth.
4. So most of you are saying that the answer is 4, but let me tell you the answer is 5. 4 is the wrong answer. The answer is 5th. Bottom से उसकी rank 5th होगी. 10 students हैं class में. There are only 10 students in the class. अगर हम top पे देखेंगे तो एक ही rank है 6.
Sir, we will count him also.
6 from the top. तो bottom से क्या होगी? Bottom से his rank will be 5th. Let me tell you. कैसे होगा? I will show here on the board. So I am writing first position पे कोई बच्चा होगा, second position पे कोई और होगा, third position पे कोई और होगा, fourth पे कोई और होगा, fifth पे कोई और होगा, sixth पे कौन है? Who is there at
Sir,
the
I understood it's fifth.
A is at the sixth position. अब ये first, second, third, fourth, fifth पे कोई होगा, हमें क्या करना है? कोई भी हो. A is at the sixth position. सेवेंथ पर कोई और होगा, एट्थ पे कोई और होगा, नाइन्थ पे कोई और होगा, टेंथ पर भी कोई और होगा, जो भी होगा. ओके, सो नाउ फ्रॉम द टॉप द पोजीशन इज 6.
Sir, I was not there in the class, so I didn't know that. What are you doing?
वी आर स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक रैंकिंग. मैंने एक बहुत जनरल सा क्वेश्चन पूछा था, दैट इफ देयर इज अ बॉय नेम्ड ए, there is a boy named A and there is a class, there are 10 students in the class. A की रैंक टॉप से 6th है. टॉप से अगर हम देखेंगे तो A की रैंक 6th है. तो बॉटम से मैंने पूछा क्या रैंक होगी. The student said it should be 4th, but the answer is not 4. Answer is 5th. बॉटम से
We
A
all
की रैंक.
subtracted it.
तो A की रैंक, हाँ, you all subtracted, but that is not what you have to do. I will tell you what you have to do. तो 5th बॉटम से क्या रैंक होगी? 5th. You can see count it. अगर एक ही रैंक टॉप से 6 है,
Yes, sir, I understood.
3 4 5
Sir, I
6,
understood.
तो बॉटम से क्या होगी? 1 2 3 4 5. व्हाट इज द पोजीशन? बॉटम से कौन सी पोजीशन आ रही है? 5th पोजीशन. Am I right or not?
The fifth.
Yes, sir, I understood earlier.
Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the,
Understood.
Yes, sir,
what-
clear.
Yes,
what
sir,
is the-
understood.
What is the
Sir,
shortcut?
we have to write this.
No, don't write this in your copy. Don't write this. So what is the shortcut method of doing it? Shortcut तरीके से कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? If suppose यहाँ तो केवल 10 students हैं, अगर वहाँ पे hundreds of students हैं, मान लीजिए 100 students are there in the class, तो क्या every time I am going to write it like this? No, there should be a shortcut method. Shortcut method क्या है? 10 minus 6 करना है. 10 minus 6 plus 1 भी करना है. क्या करेंगे? 10 minus 6
4.
plus 1.
6 plus 1.
6 plus 1. Which
Answer is 5th. Clear? 5th rank from the bottom.
Yes, sir.
कैसे निकालना है?
okay,
शॉर्टकट
sir.
तरीका समझ गए कैसे करना? All of you?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, sir.
If
From
I-
the total number, we have to minus the rank and then plus 1.
Yes. घर पे पूछते बड़ों से पूछना ये क्वेश्चन, बड़े भी शायद गलत बताते. मम्मी से पूछना, किसी से पूछना.
Okay, sir. I will
Okay,
try
sir.
on my mama. I will try with my father and mom.
I
Sir, I will
Sir,
try
I will
with
try
all
on my
the
bhaiya
family
question.
members.
So I think he will tell me
he will
the
tell.
correct answer because
Then I will
he
ask
is
from
very
whole
nice in
family.
studies.
Don't ask such an easy one. ये तो बहुत easy है. ये don't ask such an easy one. Ask a little difficult one. For example, like
I
this.
will be asking from my brother.
So if suppose there are 65 students in a class, 65. Okay. There are 65 students in a class, and there is a boy named A. A is the name of the boy. Or girl, कुछ भी हो सकता है. whoever. So his or her rank is 13th from the top. 13th है top से. Bottom से क्या rank होगी? Tell me the answer.
5.
What should be his rank?
53. 53. 53. 53. 53.
53 is the correct answer. Very good.
53.
Yeah. So this time I hope you all have used this shortcut method to find it.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Shortcut
Yes,
method से
sir.
निकाला है ना? So what you all have done? Total student 65. Top से क्या rank है? 13. So 65 minus 13 and plus 1.
52.
So this is 52 plus 1. That means 53rd rank. Okay. So from the bottom, the rank is 53rd. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm going to
Okay,
share
sir.
some questions with you all now.
Sir, you will do with board mass. First we will add, then we will subtract.
Board mass,
Yes,
obviously.
sir. Yes, sir. Something like board marks.
We will use board mass. Very good. You all have studied board mass. But board mass
Yes, yes, sir. I have studied.
add
Sir,
करते
I
हैं.
have studied.
Add जब करते
Sir,
हैं.
I have also studied. It was a chapter in maths.
Yes, in this class.
Simplification.
Simplification.
And the full form is bracket of division, addition, and subtraction.
But एक और you all are very good students. आप लोगों को
Sir, in this we have to do full board mass. Means
No.
division and multiplication can also come.
नहीं सिंपल एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन ही है. अब आप लोग मेरी एक बात
Okay,
सुनिए. I hope you all remember this. This you have done in the chapter simplification. First of all, simplification में आपने board mass का use किया था. Now I hope you all remember this. That जब हम board mass का use करते हैं, we add the positive numbers first. So 65 is positive and 1 is positive. तो पॉजिटिव
sir.
नंबर को ऐड करते हैं. नेगेटिव नंबर में पॉजिटिव नंबर ऐड नहीं करते हैं. डू यू ऑल रिमेंबर दिस और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
65
Yes, sir.
plus 1.
I remember.
This is 66. Okay. 66 minus 13. Now you subtract. The answer is 53. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I hope you all remember this. नेगेटिव नंबर में पॉजिटिव नंबर ऐड मत कर देना. Okay. बताया था मैंने, याद होगा आपको.
Yes, sir.
Remember.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to share my screen and I will show you the question. You all will note down the question as usual. Note down the question in your copy.
In the notebooks, and we are going to tell the answer in chat box.
देखिए बिल्कुल सही, पहले से ही पता है क्या करना है. So
Yes,
note down the
sir.
question in your copy. First you give your answer in the chat box and then note down the question in your copies. Okay.
Sir, I have got. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, that is the thing that I always do.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So, ready for the question, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Here it is. Don't forget to note it down in your copies.
Sir told the answer in chat box.
There will be an Olympiad of reasoning. Do you all know about it or not?
Sir,
Yes,
when?
yes, sir. No, sir.
And
Yes, sir. Sangeeta ma'am told us that the next Olympiad would be of reasoning.
So very
but
soon
when
there will be a
will-
reasoning Olympiad. I hope you all will participate in that Olympiad, and you all
Yes,
will
sir.
I
score
will
very,
participate in all the Olympiads. I have participated in English also, and I will participate in all.
Sir, I have got a reasoning book.
Hmm. So I hope you all will participate in that and score very good marks.
Sir, I have
Very good
Yes,
rank.
sir.
ये जो rank है 18, आपकी कौन सी
sir, I
rank?
found the answer.
It should be
First.
first rank. 18th नहीं आनी चाहिए, कौन सी आनी चाहिए? First.
First.
You
But
all can
everybody
score-
can't come in the rank first.
Obviously, you
only.
all can score the first rank. It is possible to score first rank for all the students if you all score full marks. सबकी first आ जाएगी. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसमें भी reasoning लगा दी मैंने, है ना? So ready? May I stop sharing the screen now? Have you all written the question?
No, sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
not
It
written.
is.
अरे note it down जल्दी.
Sir, written and send the answer in chat box.
Okay.
Sir, I given. Sir, by mistake, I wrote 42. So, sir, I have put in my correct answer.
Okay, very good.
By mistake, I have written.
Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing now. Okay. So correct answer is 32.
Is it correct?
The correct answer is
Yes,
32.
sir. My answer is correct.
49
Sir, my
minus
answer is
18
correct.
So this is 32. Answer is 32. Okay. 32 is the correct answer. Now let me tell who is the first one. Unnati is first. Mridul is second. Karamjeet is third. Very good. All three of you. Fourth is Rishika. Fifth is Anshika. Fifth is Anshika. Then sixth is Atish. Then Rishit. Then अधिराज नहीं, अधिराज का आंसर गलत हो गया है. शाश्वत का आंसर गलत हो गया है. इशिका, इशिका योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. लावण्या करेक्ट. नंदिनी करेक्ट. हरगुन करेक्ट.
Faster.
वैदिक आंसर इज 32. वैदिक बेटा. ओके. तो हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड कैसे करना है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very easy
Yes,
one.
sir.
Okay. So 49 students are there in the class and Nitin's rank is 18th from the top. Starting से 18th है, तो पीछे से क्या होगी? कैसे निकालेंगे आप? 49 minus 18 plus 1. 49 minus 18 is 31. 31 plus 1 is 32. Answer is 32. Okay. So next question.
Sir, I also use this method
Yes, absolutely
Sir,
correct.
I
that you
also
told.
use this method.
Next question. Don't forget to note down the question in your copy.
Sir, the screen is coming black.
हाँ, नहीं बेटा. There is some network problem, I think, at your end.
Sir, can you dictate the question?
Sanjeev ranks 7th from the top and 28th from the bottom in a class. How many students are there
Sir,
in the
give the
class?
answer in the chat box.
Very good.
Sir, give the answer in the chat box.
Sir, please repeat.
Sanjeev ranks 7th from the top and 28th from the bottom and 28th from the bottom. How many students are there in the class?
Sir, what do you think? If finals will be in school or online?
I don't know. I can't say anything about it. You are in
Sir,
class.
I think it will be 50-50.
50-50.
That's I think.
Sir, I have given the answer.
Sir, I also give an answer.
Okay.
Sir, I have also given the answer.
Okay. Okay, all of you ready? May I tell you the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I have stopped sharing the screen. Now first tell me the correct answer. So the last one to give the answer is Lavanya at 129. Okay. So 129 के बाद जो भी आंसर आ रहे हैं अब I am not going to take them. Your time is up. So Sanjeev, there is a man, a boy, whoever.
Sir, 129.
Sorry.
No, 129. Sir was telling the time.
Ah,
Given the last answer.
at 129 the last answer came.
Sir, she think that it is
Sir,
the
you
correct
tell the
answer.
answer only. So you first tell the answer. Then we will discuss
Telling you the
that
answer.
what time the
Sanjeev,
children gave the answer.
Sanjeev की position from the top, from the left side. अगर we see, let me see the question. What is it? Sanjeev, from the top, his rank is 7th. Okay, so suppose we are starting from here. From the top, his rank is 7th. And from the bottom से अगर हम देखेंगे, what is his rank? His rank is 28. 28. You have to tell how many students are there in the class. Okay. So little different question.
34.
Little different question.
Sir, we
So if Sanjeev is 7th, मेरी बात सुनो ध्यान से, बहुत छोटी सी ट्रिक है. Sanjeev is 7th from the top. That means Sanjeev से पहले कितने बच्चे और हैं? How many students have scored good, better marks than Sanjeev?
6.
और संजीव is 28 from the bottom, यानी कि कितने बच्चों के मार्क्स संजीव से कम आए होंगे? That means 27. Am I right? 6 स्टूडेंट ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने संजीव से ज्यादा मार्क्स स्कोर करे, तभी तो संजीव is at the 7th. And from the bottom he is 28, यानी कि 27. संजीव के बाद कितने हैं? 27. 6 plus 27 और संजीव को भी तो काउंट करना है, plus 1. That means 34 is the answer.
Sir, I have done like that. This like Sanjeev is one student and others. So we can't count Sanjeev 2 times. So first I've written 7, then
So
from
my
28
answer
I minus
was
1
wrong.
and wrote the 27 and
That method is
added
also
them.
Unnati or
Sir,
not?
I do 28 plus 7 minus 1.
Like Unnati have done.
Unnati,
Sir, I have done 28 plus 7 minus 1.
if you are doing with this method, I'm telling you, if you are doing it like this method is also absolutely correct. 28 plus 7 minus 1. This is also correct. 34. So both
Sir,
the
I
methods,
have
Sir, I
also
did like
done
that
the way
only.
like Unnati have done.
so both the methods are correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Both the methods are absolutely correct. Okay. Answer should be 34. So let me tell you who is the first. बता दो.
Yes, sir.
So let me see. Lot of wrong answers are also there. अभी तक तो कोई भी मुझे से अब पहला आंसर सही मिला है मुझे. Atiks is the first one to give the right answer. Atiks, your answer is absolutely correct, and you are the first one. Atiks.
Sir, did you know that I was having no chance that my answer will come first?
Okay. Then after Atiks, it's Unnati. Unnati, you have given the correct answer. Then there is Adhiraj. Third is Adhiraj. Fourth is Ishika. Excellent. Very good. Then उसके बाद कौन है? कोई नहीं. उसके बाद there is Rishika. but Rishika, okay, chalo, Rishika. So these are the top 5.
Sir, the next question.
Only 5 students have given the correct answers. Okay, these are the 5. Have you all understood the method how to do it?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Sir, the next
sir.
question.
Yes, sir.
Next question, ready हो जाइए. Next.
Sir, what is this 38 from the bottom?
Yes.
Sir sent you the answer.
Sir, send it.
Sir sent you the answer. Sir sent you the answer.
Okay, beta. Okay, very good.
Sir, send the answer to you.
Is coming black.
Sam ranked 9th from the top and 38 from the bottom. How many students are there in the class?
Sir,
Same.
please repeat, as I was not able to hear because of network issue.
Then it came zero.
Someone please take a screenshot and send it to Karanjeet on his number. Someone. Can someone send it to Karanjeet? Take the screenshot and send it.
Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
can
Sir, excuse
Sir,
me,
can
sir.
I?
Yes.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Send it to Karamjeet.
Yes, please send it.
Excuse me, sir. When I written
I have
the
sent.
correct answer, then it came zero instead of the correct answer
Okay,
in
so
chat box.
you write it now. Okay, so all of you, I would advise one thing. ध्यान से सुनिए. It's more important to give the correct answer than to give the answer in a hurry. So don't give your answer in a hurry. Don't try to be very quick. Try to be accurate. समझ में आया क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ मैं? It's important to give the correct answer. That is more important. Giving the answer in less time is not that important. Accuracy is more important. So once you have the accuracy, you will start taking less time also. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing the screen. I hope you all have written the question in your copies.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer is 46.
Sir,
Same
my
time.
answer is correct.
Sir, my answer is
My also
correct.
correct.
My also correct.
Sir, my also is correct. Sir, please tell the false. Sir, my also is correct.
Okay, very good. मैं explain कर दूं कैसे करना है?
Sir, first who
No,
is the
sir.
first? No, sir, we know.
Type of question.
Sir, please first who is the first?
It will take just a few seconds. Sam is the name of the student. His rank from the starting is 9th. From the bottom, his rank is, what is his rank from the bottom? 30?
38. Sir, 38.
यानी कि सैम से पहले कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? 8 स्टूडेंट्स हैं सैम से पहले.
8.
8 rank,
सैम के बाद कितने हैं? 37 हैं.
37.
37.
तो 8 plus 37 plus सैम. सैम को भी तो काउंट करेंगे, +1. So this
Yes,
makes
sir.
46. So
46.
total students are 46 in the class.
Can be another method.
You can do with that method also.
Sir, I have
9 plus
first plus
38
one
minus
and
अगर आप 9 plus 38 minus 1 कर रहे हैं, that is also correct. Okay. So first one is Adhiraj. Very good. Second is Atish. लड़के जीत गए इस बार मुझे लग रहा है. Second is Atish. Third is Rishika. Very good. Fourth is Hargun. Very good. Fifth is Anshika. Very good. Sixth is Karthik. Very good.
Sir, but in fifth list, girls are more.
Top 5 अगर हम देखेंगे then girls are more. So then Mridul, उसके बाद Vedic, then there is Unnati, then Nandini, then Shashwat, then Rishit, then Ishika, then
Any correct answer.
Ishika के बाद हैं Lavanya, then there is Karamjeet. So these are the students who have given the correct answer.
Sir, mostly all are correct.
Some have given wrong answers also. So those who have given the wrong answers, I have not called out their
Sir,
names.
is the period over?
Sir,
Or
I
about
was
to over?
given I was given the correct answer very fast, but it came 0 instead
Ah.
of.
I understood. Okay, so all of you, we will continue the topic tomorrow and we will do some new type of questions tomorrow. Okay, so
Okay,
bye-bye.
sir.
okay, sir. Bye, sir. Have a
Okay,
nice
sir.
day.
Bye, sir. Have a
Okay,
nice
sir.
day,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.